You looking to up your appetizer game? Well, here's some insight from our test kitchen crew.
When I think about an appetizer to bring to a party, I like to bring something a little different. I don't want to be that guy bringing the same old thing. It doesn't have to be anything super hard, or I'm not trying to blow your mind, but I just like to introduce people to different flavors, maybe a cool dish they've never tried before, something they wanted to try.
When you're thinking about what appetizer you're going to contribute to your holiday get-together, your family reunion, your friends' night, whatever it is, think about using this opportunity to experience something new with your friends and your family.
The time you put into an appetizer, to me, is something to consider. That you put the time invested in the front end of it. The idea is you want to enjoy the company you're with, whether you're hosting or whether you're going to someone's party.
Maybe something that's not an everyday appetizer. I'm not gonna bring veggies and ranch because I want to do something fun and interesting and bring something different for everybody to try.
One of the favorite appetizers that we've done in this kitchen is the Korean fried beef bites. It's just so flavorful. So the idea is, you could even call it KFC because it's Korean fried culotte specifically. So a specific cut of the sirloin that we cut into small pieces rather thin. It's marinated first and then it's breaded and deep fried, and it's coated in this sauce in a way that's with gochujang and honey, that the crispiness and the flavor on it, I want to make it right now. It's just so good. That's one where I would do at home and when I'm hosting people, and then just pop these things already made into the deep fryer, and they could have them fresh out of the deep fryer. They're just so good, sprinkled with sesame seeds, amazing.
One of my favorite dishes that we do for an appetizer is this beef larb. So it's got all kinds of fresh stuff in it, which really makes it just great for me. I love Asian food of all types. You know, I like Thai, Vietnamese, and this is kind of like mostly a Laotian style dish. It's not authentic, but it's trying to replicate those flavors. So you've got like shallot, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, mint, cilantro, scallions, and it's just so many fresh and bright flavors with ground beef that makes it just kind of like all meshed together so well. We suggest eating it on a lettuce leaf, so it makes it really light and again, just fresh. And also when this dish is super hot, it kind of wilts the lettuce, so it kind of holds up at room temperature, or at least just like warm. So it kind of transports well and it sits around well. And it's something that, again, I could eat as a whole meal, but it's just a nice appetizer because you can just take a leaf of lettuce and a scoop of the filling, and it's great.
My favorite appetizer that we do here in the test kitchen, and there's a video for it on our website, it's the beef stogie recipe. So it starts with just an egg roll wrapper, and if you think about it, egg roll wrappers are just like, it screams for creativity. You can fill them with anything, and they're so easy to use. All the work is done for you. You buy them and they're perfectly cut little sheets. I love this recipe. And it's filled with a ground beef filling that's really spicy, but also really sweet. And it has this really great glaze inside. You roll it up and you bake them, which makes them like 100 times more appetizing because it's not fried. So you can eat like 40 of them versus like 5 of them if they were fried. So I actually consider this a meal in my world, but I love the beef stogie recipe. And when I contribute them to a family reunion or a holiday party, the dipping sauce is always a really, really big winner for people. It's a sweet chili dipping sauce that you dip them in. Ugh, it's so good. It's my favorite recipe.
We hope this has inspired you to create something new next time you need to bring an appetizer.